Welcome. Okay, now in this video I'm going to be teaching you a very simplest and shortest way for you to be able to create Instagram ads, okay, on your phone. Okay, the latest method. Note that you can't use all these most of their apps, you know, to create Instagram ads right now. Do you understand? Because there's usually a glitch at a point in time when you are trying to boost your post direct from Instagram. So this video is being sponsored by one of my dear clients. Okay, so let's applaud her for that. Do you understand? So there are some things I might not be able to explain in depth in this video, but just keep watching and I'm very sure you're going to understand. Okay, just for a sake. So the first thing you want to do right now, we are going to, instead of us using a computer to set that Instagram ads, I want to teach you a way for you to be able to use that computer view on your phone. Okay, how to set that Instagram ads on a computer view using your mobile phone. So make sure you have your phone connected to the internet connection. Open your Chrome browser, go to fb.com. okay, go to it, and once you go to it, you're going to see your account. Just log into your account normally like a mobile view. Now listen to this place very carefully. How do we switch to this computer view for us to be able to set our Facebook ads just like as if we are using a laptop? Okay, now the first thing you want to do right now is click on this address bar. Let me just mark it for you. Click on this place, okay, where you used to see facebook.com. click on it. Okay, then type in web.facebook.com. do you understand? Once you type in web.facebook.com, click on go button here. You're going to see it here on your keyboard. Do you understand? Visit it, click on go, and it's going to open in a new page. And the next thing you want to do right now is click on this three dots button here, on this three option button. Okay, once you click on that three option button and click on request desktop site, as you can see here. So tick it and you're going to see it load in a desktop view. Simple as ABC. So you could just go here and tick that desktop view before you even let it reload, or even put that web.facebook.com. anyhow you want to do it, just do it like that, and it's going to change to this desktop view. Now what is the next thing for us to do for us to be able to create a successful Instagram ads? Okay, so the next thing you want to do is make sure that your Instagram is connected to your Facebook page. Do you understand? So how do you check if your Instagram is connected to your Facebook page? All you need to do is visit your page. Don't like manage page and profiles. Let's click on the page here, right here. You're going to click on this page. So once you click on this page, you're going to see your page open right here. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is click on manage. You're going to see manage here. Okay, click on manage. You can follow this step on your system as I'm doing this right now. This is the same thing you're going to see. Click on manage, and the next thing you want to click on, okay, you want to click on linked account. You're going to see it here. Let me zoom it here on the left hand side of the screen. Let me zoom it. You're going to see this. Okay, linked account. You're going to see linked account. This is it here. Do you understand? So linked account, click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see this page. This particular page is connected to an Instagram account. So if it's not connected to an account, you are going to see something like connect here. But as for this one, you can see something like disconnect. That means an Instagram account is connected to it already. Now how do we start setting our ads? But let's go right into that right now. So for us to go inside the advert manager, listen to me very carefully as you are on this page. Okay, just click on your web browser here. Just click on this address bar. Do you understand now? Where you see the address, click on it and click on web.facebook.com. look at it /ads/manager. Okay, once you go to this, do you understand, this will take you straight to the ads manager. Click on go here on this keyboard. Okay, you're going to see it here. Click on go, and the next thing you want to wait for you to load. So right now you're going to see your ad manager will load out. Now note that we can see something like a red message here. What is this red message? It is saying something like payment not completed. Let's zoom it. You're going to see payment not completed. Your ads have stored. Pay the amount due to continue running ads. Now this account has a debt on it, by which this will determine if we'll be able to submit our advert finally. Do you understand now? When ever we try to just publish our ad. Do you understand? We set everything and publish. So if you have a debt on your account, don't forget to chat this number on the screen or the number in the description box below. I can be able to solve your payment issue on Facebook as maybe they are not accepting your payment. Facebook as, Google as, Twitter as. I can solve that card issue for you. Just chat me on WhatsApp. Do you understand? So the next thing you want to do right now when you're trying to create your Instagram ads is click on create. Let's just click on create. Do you understand? You're going to see that create here. Click on create. And the next thing you want to do is, it depends on what you want to do. So for this stuff, we want to be receiving messages. Do you understand? I want to receive message into our Instagram DM. So what we want to do, we're going to click on engagement, and you're going to see this engagement is good for message, Instagram, you know, Messenger, Instagram and WhatsApp. So next thing you want to click on is continue. You're going to see continue here. Click on continue, and you're going to actually see the next page right here. So the next thing you want to do right here is you want to click on next right below this place. You see the cycle here. Click on next. So the next thing you want to do right now, you are going to just leave it like that. You can see messaging apps, just leave it like that. Then you're going to go down, okay, and you're going to see something like Facebook page. Okay, you can see the Facebook page selected already, which is connected to the Instagram account. And you can see messaging apps. Choose at least one destination where you are available to chat. You can select multiple apps to reach people. That is where people will send you message, for you to be able to get the DMs of customers. So what you're actually going to do is you're going to tick off Messenger. Let's zoom it. Tick off Messenger, of that WhatsApp. You could tick WhatsApp. Let me just tick off WhatsApp. So we want people to be sending us Instagram DMs. Okay, Instagram DMs. So the daily budget for a Nigerian, okay, this is Nigeria. I'm just going to input 2,000 naira. If you're in another country, you could put $5, $10, depending on how your pocket is. And let's scroll down to the audience side. Now note that the audience is the art of your adverts. Do you understand? So you can use your audience, try to create your audience. I'm just going to skip some things in this video. You can see the location here. You can click on edit to edit the location. You can see the age here. You can click on edit here. Do you understand? You're going to see something like edit. Okay, you can click on it. You can edit the age, adjust the age. You can choose the gender here. You're going to see something like edit here. Okay, so you can choose the gender, edit, choose either male or female, whatever your stuff is. So I'm just going to choose one of the audience that is saved on this account. Do you understand now? So I have an audience right here, okay, which is saved already. Don't worry, you can come to my inbox. I'll give you a very good audience that you are supposed to target for your business. People who are desperate to buy from your product or services according to your type of business. I will craft that stuff for you. So go down to the placement section. Okay, go down to the placement section. You can see the placement section here. So what you want to do is click on manual. Once you click on manual, you're going to click on devices. Do you understand? Click on edit and go down, tick off that desktop. Do you understand? You're going to see tick off desktop. We want people who are browsing through their mobile phone, so tick it off. Once you tick it off, it is only mobile that is there. So the next thing you want to do right now is you want to tick off Facebook, because you want your stuff to only run on Instagram. You can leave the Facebook, we want it to only run on Instagram, by which we can even get more followers through that place. So you're going to tick off this Facebook. Let's tick it off. Let's leave only Instagram platform. Do you understand? So the next thing you want to do is you want to go down. Do you understand? Once you go down, then you want to select Instagram feed. Okay, you can see Instagram feed here. You can see Instagram Explore. You can see Instagram Stories, Instagram Reels. Just leave it like that. Do you understand? Leave all those ones. Go down and click on show more options here. All device, leave everything here. And the next thing you want to click on is next. You click on next here. Do you understand? So click on next. Then once you click on next, then the next thing you want to do right here, okay, is select a single image or video. You're going to see it here. Okay, you're going to see it here. Okay, which is the format of your advert. You're going to set the creative of your advert. So you can see something like select single image or video. Just want to select single image. Okay, just for us to be able to scale through this video faster. It's getting too long. So you're going to click on add media. go to this media section, do you understand, and click on add media. You're going to click on add image. Okay, if you want to use video, fine, you can choose video, but for this I'm going to choose image. So we have an image on this account, advert account already. If you don't have an image on this advert account before, or you want to choose a different one, you can click on upload. Do you understand? You can see upload here. So you're going to click on that upload, and you're going to choose some pictures in your gallery, and it will be chosen. So I just want to use the one that is on this account. Let me just choose one here. Okay, I've chosen that one, and the next thing you want to do right now, you want to hit on this next button here. Okay, you can see that next button there. Let me just choose it for you very well. You can see that next, but it's not showing because we are very well, because we are on mobile. So once you click on next, do you understand, you selected the image, you are going to see something like this. Okay, which you are going to see the recommendation of the image. Just leave it like that and click on done, and you are going to see the image of your advert, okay, showing in the preview of the Instagram stuff. Do you understand now? So just leave it. If you see something like unsupported aspect ratio, click on crop media for placement. Do you understand now? You can click on this square here, and the next thing you do is click on save, and you can see it is being cropped for it. Okay, everything is good right now. And the next thing you want to do is zoom it and click on this primary text. Okay, you're going to see primary text, so click on it and input anything of your advert. Do you understand now? So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to be very, very fast and brief with this. So I'll just click on it, shrink it back, and I'll just say Senegalese in Niger offers the best Senegal clothing. Chat us now on DM. I'm just being very fast enough. Do you understand? You can just try to compose anything for your store, either you are in skincare or whatever. Do you understand now? So that is it. You can see our primary test. I'm zooming it. You can zoom in and zoom out. Then the headline, chat with us, the call to action, send message, leave it like that. Scroll down, and the next thing you want to do right now is you are going to click on publish. You're going to see something like publish button here. Okay, once you hit this publish button, do you understand? Once you hit this publish button, your advert will be submitted for review, and once they approve the advert, your advert will start showing on Instagram with your Instagram handle. Look at it here. You can see your Instagram handle here. Do you understand? The Instagram handle here showing on Instagram itself, and when they click on send message, you receive a DM on your Instagram, and people can be able to visit your profile and even follow you. So thank you very much. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on the bell notification icon, and see you on the next video. A shout out to the woman who owns this video. Thank you for sponsoring it, and see you next time.